Hello YouTube, this is Tech Computers, your host Charlie. Today we'll be reviewing Speccy, one of the best ID software you can use. I'm going to show you the different settings, what it does, and you guys can download this from filehippo.com, Google search it, Proform.com. A bunch of websites have it. It's nice a program to use. And we analyze everything you have in your computer: expansion cards, storage, graphics, motherboard, RAM, processor, audio, optic drives, network peripherals, and operating system, among other things. And it also tells you the temperatures if the hardware is available for that, or has the technology built into it. It will tell you what the temperatures are. And apparently on this laptop doesn't give you the CPU temperature like it does for other things, but it does give you all the information about what instructions it uses, both cores, how fast it's running, multiplier. So that's pretty cool. And it would have different features based on what type of processor it's detecting. Operating system wise, it'll tell you the serial number, all types of crazy stuff. Different programs you have installed, hotfixes, device tree. Let's update. As for your RAM, it tells you the timing. Now, honestly, depending on what type of RAM you're using, it'll also tell you more in depth about it too, like what the manufacturer, what RAM chip it has on it, the different times you can manually input into the BIOS, the speed, the whole 9 yards, which helps tremendously when you're overclocking. That way you input the best clock you can get versus megahertz for each RAM stick. And as for motherboard, it tells you what type of motherboard you have too. The features, PCI data, BIOS, everything. What bit they are. So that helps you out determine everything else too. Gives you more broader information. Now graphics, since this has a APU in it, it will have graphics. Sorry, I itched. And it will give you the temperature of the GPU, which is at 59C, which isn't bad given an APU. It is a 16-watt processor, so it's a little warm for a low wattage, but it can use up to 4 gigs of VRAM if necessary needed. It has OpenGL support. Tells you what SATA model, 5.0, 4.1 for OpenGL. The clock for the GPU is at 492. It might increase based if it has turbo clock on it or not. The memory clock and SATA clock is at 533. GPU clock is at 279 or 278. So I did this overclock to it, or not overclock, but turbo clock. There we go. I'll get it right yet. And the monitor is at 60 Hertz, as you can see here. It's a little blurry apparently because my freaking webcam sucks. Maybe I put it a little closer, it might read it better. Yeah, a little bit. I think it'll focus better. That's the best you're gonna get apparently. For this it's a Logitech C920 webcam. And apparently it does not like to focus on monitors. Even though this is a laptop screen. So moving on. It tells you about the storage. If it has smart or not. How many gigs. It tells you the error. How long it's been running for. It tells you if it's in good status. Temperatures. You got a folder. It tells you how many partitions it has. What size they are. And what percentage you have left on them. Then it tells you about the optical drive. Now it says media loader false because it doesn't have a disk drive in it yet. So if you put disk drive, that will change to true. It tells you the audio drivers, playback, sound cards, and peripherals you have attached to it. And it also tells you about your network. All types of different network information. Now, you go to File, or say View, go to Options. And you can skip user control warning if you want to. It's actually very helpful. Now you go to System Tray, you have to minimize this tray. And actually display everything you want in your tray. I'll show you what I mean by that. So you minimize it, and it shows your temperatures. And then you double click on it, so it brings you right back up. And that's it for Speccy. There's not really much more I can go in depth with that program. Just it's a simple ID program. Tell you what your PC has in it, and software, everything else. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good night. Take it easy.